Hello everyone, mayong hapon. I'm Paul Dinga Serrano. I'm 22 years old from Bacolod City. Isa ka queer climate activist kag very grateful for this award and for the organizers for making this event a success. Ako, when I read the letter, informing me of the award and the details of it, Negros Young Heroes, it's a very great thing to read that one, and I feel very grounded no to be receiving this award. And I want to share some question that I asked myself. What does it really mean to be a hero, no? Ano bala kung ginatawag tang kagalingon tang hero o kung isa ka bayani? Ako personally nagapati ko nga ang isa ka bayani ang naga-refuse to look away, ang naga-refuse magpati sa mga sistema nga kabaluta wala naman gagana. And ginahambal ko na because as a queer individual myself, my experience would span gid sa belonging. In my senior year in college, I got suspended for breaking the dress code multiple times. So, the question ko always, nga hindi ko allowed to exist like who I am, like kung ano ko mamayo, because there's nothing wrong with it. I believe there's nothing wrong with it. And to constantly challenge, how do we imagine and how do we redefine this? How do we exist in our own safe spaces, our universities, but at the same time get to meet with administrators in between? And I feel like co-founding the Orchard, an LGBTQIA collective, I like alongside young queer people in my university. Gapati ko nga sila ang akong mga bayani, and I carry this legacy, and I know that I am a product of my community and very grateful ko for what has transpired, what has blossomed from that community. And of course, this award is also a testament to the growing and very beautiful landscape of youth organizations across Negros. Ako gapati ko, kag very proud gid ko as a Negrosanon, nga ginpadako ko ang akong upbringing as a climate activist, naghalin gid sa mga organizations that I am part of, sa NYLI, sa NICE, sa Dakila, no, and many more. And very grateful gid ko for being in this position ng ginadala ko gid ang istorya man sa akong mga community and ang vision man ahead, no. So congratulations man sa tanan nga nga ma-receive sa amo ning award. Kagapati ko nga ang future sang Negros kag sa Pilipinas very fresh pa, and gakakita ko siya clearly from a hindsight. So madamo gid nga salamat kag enjoy ka mo da sa Dumaguete.